Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an argument two of your friends had. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Arguments and is an essential thing whenever it comes to football. Just like last year, I was with my friends, and they both came to know they both represented for different teams, and so there was a set of arguments which sparked up, and one of the friends got really excited about the upcoming events of football, and he was really stubborn. He won't back off from that argument that that team will be winning. So how it came to end, just so day after tomorrow there was a match of both teams, so they both ended up on competing each other, and one of the team won, and the person who was stubborn about the team he presented was very ashamed at that time. So I felt that in an argument you should not ever argue with someone. You just wait for the right time, or you just keep silent for a bit.
All right, 1 minute and 2 seconds. So you should try to speak a little more. And in actual exam, wait for the examiner to stop you. Overall, you spoke well, although there were some grammatical mistakes, but the level of fluency and clarity, and you spoke according to the topic, that was something positive. Now, let's move on. Speaking part 3. Do you think arguments are important?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Because if you are not clear about something in your view, you will be losing the argument, and you will be feeling ashamed afterwards.
Okay. All right. In part 3, try to answer in 5 to 6 sentences.
Okay.
Because part 3 is called discussion, so you need to elaborate a little more. What do family members generally argue about?
They usually argue about electricity bills, because there is a high consumption of electricity bills around the house. They usually get blaming others for having high electricity bills, and this is the most, I guess, the recent argument I have ever heard in my last family.
Okay. Do you think people should change the way they think when they have arguments?
No, if you will be changing your opinion afterwards after in arguing, you will be losing up your point, and you will be as considered as a lawyer.
Again, this is a short answer. So try to add at least 4 to 5 compound sentences in your answer.
Okay, sir.
And your answer should have 3 parts. Part 1, answer the question directly. Part 2, elaborate, give examples or further elaborate your point. And part 3, conclude your answer. In order to conclude your answer, you can say, as you have asked me, or to answer your question, to answer your query, to respond to your question, something like
Okay,
that.
sir.
So there must be all 3 clear parts. Okay? Thank you very much.